Upon successful completion of this activity, you will be able to define accounting and explain its utility in financial management. List and explain the principles and practices in accounting. Describe several methods of accounting and their applications. Elaborate on the concept of financial accounting and its significance in business. Explain what the basic books of accounts and the process of recording financial transactions is, including the role of a manual accounting system.